professions we will do, and also I will do preposition. Okay.
Okay.
And preposition, I'll see if. Okay.
Ma'am, after Carola, what means
Yes, Corolla.
what is written? What
Caro.
Caro?
Caro. This
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Caro.
Caro cara. Caro cara. Costly. Limpio limpia. Limpia limpio. Clean. This you have done, I think so. Limpio limpia. That I have done. Ruidoso noisy. Ruidoso ruidosa. Silencio silencia. Tranquilo tranquila. Tranquilo quiet. Did we go down for profession?
Ma'am.
Hola Shalini. Buenos días.
Hola, ma'am. Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you can.
Estoy bien.
Estoy bien.
Estoy
Okay,
bien.
you can see the video later. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, ma'am.
Profession. We have done the professions or no? Shalini? We didn't know. So maestro, maestra, teacher, profesor, profesora. El profesor, la profesora. Okay, always remember. Male gender, female gender. Professor. El doctor, la doctora. Okay, I just put slash. I'm not writing again and again. I just put slash. Okay, so that's so you can see doctor, doctora, slash a. Doctor. El médico, la médica, even doctor. El jefe, la jefa, boss. Okay, male boss, el jefe, la jefa, female boss. Okay, el arquitecto, la arquitecta, the architecture. El actor, la actriz. Por ejemplo, el actor, la actriz. Actors. Okay, let's try it here. Actors. El artista, la artista, the artist. It doesn't change for male or female. It will be same artista. Dentista also same, dentist. El dentista, la dentista. El enfermero, la enfermera, the nurse. El estudiante, la estudiante, the student. Estudiante, student. And it is also same. So just remember the word that end with ante, ista, that doesn't take any gender. They will be same, but you have to put either el or la before that to point out who is who. Then el cartero, la cartera, postman. El dependiente, la dependiente, salesperson, the salesperson. Okay.
Please say means please repeat what you have said just now.
The word ends with ante, yente, and ista. That doesn't change according to the gender. Just you have to put el or la before that. Got it? Como artista. El artista, la artista. It's not artisto, artista. No. Wrong. Okay. El estudiante, la estudiante. Just put according to the gender. Got it?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
El agricultor, la agricultora. Agriculture person, okay. El rey, la reina. Rey is king, reina is queen, okay. El cocinero, la cocinera, cook. El panadero, la panadera, the baker. El camarero, la camarera, waiter. El bombero, la bombera, firefighter. El policía, la policía, police. El escritor, la escritora, writer. Till what you have done? Have you written? Or should I wait?
Wait a bit.
Yeah, okay, let me just complete talking, then you can write. El periodista, la periodista, journalist. El carnicero, la carnicera, butcher. El conductor, la conductora, driver. El taxista, la taxista. Again, it is end with ista. That's why no gender change. El administrador, la administradora, administrator. El piloto, la piloto. Okay. El científico, la científica, scientist. El pescadero, la pescadera, who sells fish. Okay. Electricista, electricista, electrician, el o la. Programador, programadora, programo. Diseñador, diseñadora, designer. Just complete writing.
Ma'am, pink is female gender and rosa is male.
No. That is colors. That are colors. I will tell that later. Is it done?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Then please let me to take a screenshot. A few are left to write.
Yeah, please.
Done.
Okay. Pink, rosa, the colors. Okay. Pink, rosa. Lilac is lilac. Lilac we are saying na. The purple or lilac even you can say in English. Violeta is violet, violeta. Okay. Violeta. Okay. So I'm just writing. Azul is blue. Azul. Red is rojo. Rojo according to gender it will change. Green is verde. Yellow is amarillo. Amarillo, amarilla. All cannot change with gender, only some colors. El amarillo, amarilla. Naranja. It's not naranjo, naranja. Okay, don't make it naranja only. Marrones. Maroon. Marrones. Maroon color. Then cafe. Coffee color. I'm just putting the tilde. Better give me a second. Keyboard.
Ma'am, lilac is which color?
This lilac, you know, na lilac. Lilac, you know? Do you know lilac? In English also same. Like little light purple, very light purple, very sweet purple we are calling it, na? That one. Cafe, coffee color. Purpura is purple. Purpura. Violeta is violet. Blanco. Blanca. White. Negro. Negra. Black. Negro, negra. Okay. Then grease. Gray color. Oscuro is dark. Claro is light. Light color. Okay. Luz is also light. Skin color de piel. Color de piel. Done. I'm just going to give you one example how it is changing according to the noun. Un bolígrafo es rojo. One pen is red. Okay. Los bolígrafos son rojos. Okay. Bolígrafo male gender. It is bolígrafos plural, that is why rojos. Okay. Un bolígrafo es rojo. Singular. Now if I will tell mochila, bag. Una mochila roja, red bag. Mochila roja, not rojo. Unas mochilas rojas. Okay, for plural. El bolígrafo es azul. Los bolígrafos son azules. Okay, azul. To make it plural, you have to put es at the end.